guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lonnie here. If you don't know me, hit the subscribe button down below, okay? Today's video, we're doing something a little different. I have my best friend here, Kristen. She has a YouTube channel, so go click the link in the description so you can subscribe to her. Hopefully she'll post soon because, like, for some reason, she's filmed like 20 videos and hasn't posted them. I don't know. So like, but just go subscribe so you can see her first video whenever the hell it comes out. I'll probably be in one of them, so just go check it out. So today's video, as you guys may or may not know, I'm not a makeup gal. I don't wear makeup. Probably the only thing I do wear is mascara, and I'm not even sure if that makes the slightest difference on my face, but you know, I'm barefaced right here. This is what I look like all the time, 24/7, don't wear shit. But she is going to be doing my makeup today because clearly, as you could tell by her beautiful face, she knows how to do makeup really well. And Jesse,
thank you,
my boyfriend, Jesse, my boyfriend, gave us this idea for her to do my makeup, and I was like, that's genius, because like I never got my makeup done. I think I've gotten my makeup done like 2 times, and that was for prom. So other than that, never have done my and like face once. I've only ever gotten my face done once because my senior prom I only did my eyes.
Okay, this is gonna be more exciting.
It is. So she's gonna kind of just like, you know, do the makeup and show you the products, and then we're gonna see what I look like at the end. Like, what if I look different? What if I
definitely, I feel like you won't look much different. I'm excited!
Me too. If you guys like videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel down below if you're new, and let's just hop right into this video.
I'm so excited. I'm filming right now. Oh, sorry! Hi! Okay, so we used this on her face in the bathroom already, and she used Rejuvenate Oil by Monet. I suck at doing people's eyeliner. So like, do you like eyeliner?
I don't know.
No? Okay, so we're totally not gonna do eyeliner. This is what we're using. Born This Way foundation. It's probably not her color. So she looks a little lighter. Don't judge. We're using a beauty blender.
And I get it wet? Look at that. I kind of know a little bit of stuff.
I know.
Putting my hair up so my hair doesn't get in the way. Don't look at my armpits, they're dark, okay?
Okay, this is like not your color, so I'm not gonna use a lot. This flashback Mary from James Charles.
Please don't make me look like that. You like do other people's makeup?
No, so anytime I like ever go to the nail salon or anything like that, everybody's like, oh my god, you should do other people's makeup. Like, are you a makeup artist? And I'm like, no, definitely not a makeup artist. I definitely hate doing other people's makeup besides Lonnie's.
Yeah, like come on.
Only because I get like really nervous because like I know how like my face shape is, and like,
are you nervous about me?
But I feel like if it flops, it'll kind of be like a funny thing. So like, it'll work out. See, it's like...
She looks so white.
It's okay. We're gonna use...
We're gonna bronze it up, I hope.
So we're using this matchstick, the shade Mocha. Oh, let me teach everybody how to contour, because nobody knows how to contour.
Shit, I'm
calling everybody out. So do this. And then... You see her, okay, they can't see, but like this part right here. So a lot of people contour underneath, and you don't want to do that. That's how small your nose is gonna be. It's gonna look like you can't breathe. Tart
Shape Tape Concealer.
Yes!
Heard about that one with a lot of YouTubers.
Yes.
Talk about that, you know. Let's just like show it off. Tarte Shape Tape.
Light sand. It's not her color
at all, probably, but like, it's okay.
Look at him, he's so sad. Oh my god, I've never seen you with makeup on. So you know, anytime you use highlight, like contour, always make sure you do it above this line because you don't want it to drag down your face. It's meant to bring your face forward, like to...
Tell them. You think I'm ever gonna take this information?
Yes, but you're gonna remember this video, and one day you're gonna want to do your makeup, and then you're gonna look at my video.
I have no product. I own mascara.
Wow, it's really not your color. This is gonna
None
be
of this
pitiful.
is my color.
So is that brown stuff gonna dry like that?
Yeah, it's just gonna be
It's
lines.
gonna be just like that. Okay. So we're using Fenty Beauty Bamboo just to highlight, kind of highlight the area and make it a little bit more of your shade. You want to show them what you look like?
Am I even gonna recognize? I can't even speak today. Like, what the hell's wrong with me?
Now, what we've all been waiting for.
What?
Now we're using Born This Way Translucent.
Are you baking?
I think we're gonna do a little baking moment. give you like the ultimate snatch. You only want to put powder where you put highlight and like concealer. And if you go over your contour, just do it lightly so that it doesn't get patchy. Lonnie's birthday is June 6th. I'm so freaking excited. We're going to... It's gonna be the best trip I've had in so long.
I'm so excited. Sorry if you weren't invited, okay?
Use this.
I was expecting it to be like that.
Let's use this one.
No, it actually is working. I'm itching my nose, guys.
We're baking under there. She's looking a little white right now, but it's gonna be okay.
Trust me, I'll look really good afterwards and you guys will be like, damn, who's she?
Who is that?
I don't know. Don't expect it ever again.
Maybe for her birthday.
Yeah, but I wouldn't do face. I'd want you to do eyes though.
Yeah.
I hate face makeup. Because then I touch my face so much and then it like comes off. I'm like, oh.
Okay, so for bronzer, we're using the Hoola
The Hoola
Bronzer by Benefit. This is a classic if you don't know about it.
I even know about it, so.
And if you're gonna ask me about brushes, they're all Morphe and MAC brushes. So now we're doing a little bronzer on the forehead moment. She already has like a cute forehead, but like this is just gonna make it. So I'm so excited for your birthday. I think that's like the only thing that I have to look forward to.
We're gonna get turned.
I know. It's
No,
gonna
I'm
be
actually
fun.
so excited.
And it's gonna be like the one thing that I do like with all of like my friends before I leave because I'm moving.
Dude, she's sleeping.
I'm so sad.
Like we just got like really close. Like we've known each other for about a year, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And it's because my boyfriend, we've been dating for like a year, is friends with her cousin. And then like we all just like met and like we clicked and then but we really started talking like kind of recently. Like we've always
I feel
talked,
like 2 months ago.
but like it's been like a lot like recently.
So,
like
like,
ever since like quarantine really.
Yeah.
I feel like it's been. Now like I want to cry because she's leaving.
know,
This is a
I'm
really
so
sad time in my life.
Like I'm happy like we're moving, but I
Yeah.
think I'm sad. If I honestly think if I didn't gain my connections and stuff like that with people, like I wouldn't have been so sad. Kind of upset.
I mean, it's okay. I'm gonna go visit her.
Yeah, she already planned.
We're already going in September.
So we're just bronzing up the whole face, the nose, the neck.
Yeah, so she's moving. And I plan to go visit her a lot, so be prepared for all the visiting vlogs. I plan on subscribing. Surprising her.
So
That'll
fun.
be a really fun vlog.
Those videos of people and they're like, oh, going to surprise
Yes.
so and so, and then I'm like watching it, I'm like, that's so cool.
Like, it's just so, we're surprising her. It's a genius
Yeah.
idea, right? Yeah, so we're gonna do that. And then also, this is why I want you guys to subscribe to her channel because she's gonna be doing a whole bunch of like moving vlogs.
Organization
like house decorating.
hauls.
Ugh,
Oh my god. To fill.
That's my shit. I like love videos like that.
Okay, so now we're just taking the Hoola Bronzer and we're gonna use it on her eyes, which is the easiest thing. Everybody always feels like they need to buy like a whole eyeshadow palette when necessarily you don't. Now we're gonna do underneath her eyes. Sephora highlighter, and it's called Golden Hour.
My favorite
So
time,
nice.
let me just say. I love highlighter. When I see girls wear highlighter, I'm like, damn, look at that glow.
So now I'm gonna take it on this M507 brush. We're just gonna put it all over the lid. I'm gonna give her...
Give her what?
It's gonna...
It's gonna give her
It's gonna give her,
shimmer.
some shimmer, some glow. I like to do this because you literally only need this highlighter that I'm going to use on her cheeks and the Hoola Bronzer. Like this was her crease and this is her eyelid. Now we're using Tarte Blush and Exposed. So now we're using this Sephora Highlight in a Golden Hour, the same thing that I used on her eyelids, but on the face we're gonna do it a little bit more, not as subtle. Oh, bitch. Can we just take a second? Just need it here first. I always like to do a dash on top of there, so it just like when the sun hits you, it's like
You know, glitter in the moment.
yeah. Now Lonnie's gonna put on her own mascara.
What a treat.
Sorry.
I know how to do.
Bottom lashes, top lashes.
Guys, I can't do this on camera. Oh, we gotta just show you a little bit. This is hard.
I'm so happy.
Mascara makes a big difference too. It's
It
crazy.
does. On other people. Like lines on other people, not for me.
Let's to some B-roll so we can see the final look. But like up close, you know? So let's cut to that.
Perfect.